Is a Shiba Inu ETF on the horizon? Therefore, you cannot afford to miss this video if you are interested in Shiba Inu or if you own any SHIB tokens. What is the most recent news on Shiba Inu Coin? What's the SHIB ETF news? And what impact will all of this have on Shiba Inu's worth? I'll be addressing these questions and providing you with all of the recently released price-boosting Shiba Inu facts in today's video. I've done a lot of research for this video, so be sure to watch it through to the finish so you don't miss anything. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. However, before we go on to our subject, let's examine the chart and see how the cost of Shiba is moving on April 6. Currently, Shiba Inu cost around 1185 units. Shiba has had a 3% decrease in price over the last day, with a $123 million 24-hour trading volume. The token is now the 21st highest valued cryptocurrency with a market capitalization of about $6.9 billion. Please note that by the time you see this video, some rates may have changed. Financial advice is not included in this video. Let's move on to the video for today. Shiba Inu's aspirations for an ETF, a strong argument for inflows of billions of dollars. Shiba Inu is putting out a strong argument to drop the moniker of meme coin and enter the realm of institutional finance in the rapidly changing cryptocurrency space. With more than 110 exchange entries and 212 trading pairings, Shiba Inu is now the 20th biggest cryptocurrency by market capitalization as of April 2025. However, a US-based exchange-traded fund is still hard to find, even with its extensive presence and fervently committed community. Now that the SEC has just changed its regulations and insiders like Lucy, Shiba Inu's chief marketing strategist, are speaking out, the discussion around Shiba Inu ETFs is becoming more than simply a long-shot speculative venture. Lucy's story. Resilience and accessibility. Lucy sent a clear message to her ex in late March 2025. An ETF is a good fit for Shiba Inu. It's listed on all the major platforms and more than 110 exchanges, with 212 trading pairs, she stated. It's simple to trade and access. Does Shiba Inu make a good ETF? Indeed. Her case is based on Shiba Inu's widespread use and liquidity, which are important considerations for any asset aiming for ETF classification. Shiba Inu's trade volume and exchange presence are comparable to those of more well-known players, and its market capitalization places it in the top 20 cryptocurrencies. However, Lucy goes one step farther and tackles manipulation, a major issue for institutional investors. You would have to be a billionaire to manipulate Shiba Inu, she says, comparing it to Bitcoin. Shiba Inu's size provides a safeguard against pump and drop schemes, which may comfort asset managers and regulators alike, in contrast to lower cap tokens that are subject to erratic fluctuations. Shiba Inu begins to resemble a contender, an ecosystem designed to endure, rather than a meme when you consider its decentralized structure, which is governed by a community rather than a central organization. The development of Shiba Inu goes beyond trade statistics. Its ecosystem, which includes the Layer 2 blockchain Shibarium and the decentralized exchange SHIBASWAP, has genuine usefulness. With over 55 million wallets supported and over 1 billion activities processed by April 2025, Shibarium in particular has achieved remarkable milestones. It's more than just hype. The expansion of Shibarium's infrastructure, which includes DeFi apps and game integrations, indicates Shiba Inu's ability as a long-term participant. As Lucy points out, different teams are naturally forming around it. The boomer factor bridges generations and is long-lasting. Lucy's assertion that Shiba Inu are popular with baby boomers is one of her more fascinating points. She contends that the cheap entry cost, ease of use, and growing significance of cryptocurrency in decentralized finance and payments may entice older investors, who are often leery of its volatility. Despite possible criticism, this makes sense. Shiba Inu's community-driven culture and availability on major exchanges streamline the purchasing procedure and correspond with the rising interest in decentralized systems. There may be large inflows, community growth, and Shiba Sense push if boomers, a group with enormous investment wealth, see Shiba Inu as a low-risk entrance into cryptocurrency. There is no calm waiting among the Shiba Inu community. Targeting industry titans like BlackRock and Grayscale, Shiba Sense, a well-known advocate in the community, presented a thorough argument for a Shiba Inu ETF in January 2025. Their 10-point argument focused on the fact that there are more than 1.3 million Shiba Inu worldwide. Liquidity, as well as the operational performance of Shibarium. Additionally, they highlighted Shiba Inu's affordability and ESG-friendly initiatives via the SHIB Karma Foundation, which establishes the breed as a socially responsible investment. With forecasts of price spikes for Shiba Inu and its ecosystem coins, Bone and Leash, the post garnered a lot of attention, demonstrating the community's faith in its potential as an ETF. The timing of a regulatory boost couldn't be more ideal. The SEC confirmed on February 27, 2025, that Shiba Inu and the majority of other meme currencies are not securities. This decision eliminates a significant barrier for an ETF and is a part of a larger movement for crypto clarity. The SEC has created an opportunity that may result in simpler approvals and more investor access by categorizing Shiba Inu as a collectible driven by consumer demand rather than a security linked to a central issuer. This lowers legal risk for fund managers, increasing Shiba Inu's appeal. The path ahead. Possibilities as well as problems. As of April 2025, no Shiba Inu ETF concept has arrived in the US despite the hope. The cryptocurrency industry is still complicated and conventional finance is skeptical about meme currencies, even those with strong ecosystems. However, liquidity, decentralization, community support, and a positive regulatory change are all coming together. Shiba Inu's organizational strength is shown by Shibarium's billion-dollar deal milestone. It is hardly a niche player, either, thanks to its more than 110 exchange listings. The effects might be profound if an ETF does come to pass. Tokens with Shiba Inu's size and velocity may attract inflows of billions of dollars. Its 1.5 million strong holding base and beyond might be tapped by asset managers like BlackRock or Grayscale, possibly attracting both institutional players and baby boomers. Not only is Shiba Inu prepared, but the financial community is also prepared for Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu's transformation from meme currency to potential ETF candidate is evidence of its flexibility and tenacity. Lucy's first-hand knowledge, supported by a flourishing ecosystem and a significant SEC decision, depicts a cryptocurrency that is ready for the next big step. The argument for Shiba Inu ETFs is greater than ever, despite ongoing difficulties. All eyes are on this unusual candidate as April 2025 approaches, demonstrating that even the underdog can strive for the top in the cryptocurrency industry. Please note that by the time you see this video, some rates may have changed. Financial advice is not included in this video. Because they trust in the Shiba Inu creators and the practical usefulness of SHIB, many of our subscribers indicate that they will hang onto millions of SHIB and not sell them for the next 5 years. What number do you people have? Remember to provide a list of your SHIB assets in the space provided for comments below. We should commend the SHIB holder for having faith in the process. If you find the video entertaining, please subscribe to the channel, give it a big thumbs up, and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu token in the comments section. Additionally, be sure to enable post alerts so that you are informed each time we upload a new video.